A perfect 850 credit score results from specific data points aligning. When numbers meet the FICO threshold, the system recognizes the profile as peak tier. Reaching the high 800s depends on executing a specific automated blueprint. We are going to build that blueprint now. This chart shows your FICO score formula: 35% payment history, 30% amounts owed, 15% length of history, 10% new credit, and 10% credit mix. We will optimize the two largest slices, controlling 65% of your score. Gather your prerequisites: a computer, your social security number or ITIN, and your bank account login credentials. Reaching for a perfect score is the output of an engineered system. By optimizing the variables we can control today, you set the trajectory for an 850. Step 1 is the audit. You must start with the federally mandated raw data. Open your browser and explicitly type out the address: annualcreditreport.com. Avoid using a search engine to find this site. If you search for a free score, you will find sponsored, predatory advertisements designed to sell you subscription services. Once on the official portal, click the Request button. You will walk through a specific identity verification sequence to generate and download your files from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Save all 3 generated PDF files directly to your computer desktop for the next phase. These 3 files contain the raw intelligence banks use to judge you. Having this data makes optimization possible. Open your PDFs and scan for 2 anomalies: accounts you do not recognize and late payment marks that are erroneous. If you find an error, use the official credit bureau dispute portals. This is the legally required mechanism for challenging these anomalies. Submitting a dispute online forces bureaus to investigate. Identify the specific fraudulent mark on your report and file the claim on the bureau's submission form. By law, bureaus have a strict window to verify the debt with the original creditor. If they cannot, they must delete the entry from your record. Removing just one illegitimate blemish shifts the mathematical formula in your favor. In this process, the burden of proof rests entirely on the bureau. Now we secure the largest variable in the formula. Payment history accounts for 35% of your total score and penalizes mistakes heavily. Log into the online portal for every active credit card you possess. Navigate through the dashboard menu to the payment section and select the autopay configuration. Set the automated payment to the minimum amount due and choose an execution date exactly 3 days before your statement deadline. You should still manually pay your balance in full every month to avoid interest. However, if a manual payment fails, this automation makes it much harder for a catastrophic 30-day late mark to hit your report. Automating the minimum payment floor adds a critical safety net to the highest weighted variable in the entire algorithm. Step 4 targets credit utilization, which controls 30% of your score. The algorithm provides the most points when your total credit utilization drops below 10%. Navigate to the Services or Account Settings tab in your credit card portal and initiate a credit limit increase request. Read the fine print before submitting. Abort the process if you do not see language stating that the request will not impact your credit score, as you want to avoid a hard inquiry penalty. Consider the math. A $1,000 balance on a $2,000 limit results in a 50% utilization rate. If your limit increases to $10,000, that exact same debt instantly drops into the green scoring range at 10% utilization. This hack dilutes your debt footprint. It provides the same algorithm boost as paying off thousands of dollars without requiring you to spend any cash. Your profile is now optimized with audited reports, automated payment safety nets, and improved utilization ratios. Now you enter a maturation period. The bureaus need time to update your records and calculate the impact of these changes. Banks typically report data once per billing cycle. You will see the mathematical impact of these changes on your report within 30 to 45 days. Set a calendar reminder for 1 month from today to pull your updated score. Reaching a perfect score is a matter of letting the optimized math run its course. Check your results in 30 days and share your before and